Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to my Halloween Get Ready With Me 2022 edition. I don't know how long I've been doing these videos, but I am back with another one this year. If you couldn't tell by my costume and the thumbnail, I am the Little Mermaid, both versions actually. So the mermaid version, and then I'm going to switch it out later, and then I'm going to be the one where she's in the blue dress with the blue bow. So that is fun. So that is this year's look. I was inspired by two things, which is right beside me. I'll go get them. So every year I decide on my costume by something that inspired it. First year was 2020. I really wanted to be Scooby-Doo because I just watched so much Scooby-Doo over quarantine. And then last year I watched Cruella de Vil and I was inspired by that. So I became Cruella de Vil. And then this year is inspired by The Little Mermaid. Oops, it's upside down. So me and my dad went to our storage unit that we've had for like 12 or 13 years, and it had a lot of my childhood stuff in it, and we came across a VHS player and all my old VHS tapes, and apparently I was obsessed with the Little Mermaid. I found so many Little Mermaid toys. I thought I liked Belle, but I think that's just an older me loved Belle because I looked like her, but I guess childhood me just loved the Little Mermaid. So I found that. My dad set up the VHS player. It still works. I ended up watching this for old time's sake, and just watching VHS is just so nostalgic, I guess, from my childhood. And I know I can like stream it in HD on like Disney Plus and like on a good TV, which I did watch this on a good TV, but it had the quality of VHS still, which was amazing. So I watched that, so that inspired this purchase, which is the Little Mermaid picture disc vinyl. I collect all kinds of vinyl. Is in my collection complete? No, it isn't. I need to collect more vinyl, but I got this, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be Little Mermaid because of these two things. And I couldn't decide if I wanted her like casual look or the mermaid look. I was going to just do the casual look, but then I saw this outfit and was like, okay, let me do that. So I have two versions. So I did this one first because that's what she is in the movie, and then later on becomes like the blue version. So yeah, without further ado, let me show you how I did this makeup because it's so pretty. Something like natural, but then I did like a funky eye look because I don't know, I didn't really like copy what is like her look, and I didn't do the whole red rig thing, so it's just inspired by it. That's what I always do, not really like dress up fully for it. So let me just show you how I did this makeup. Starting off this year's Halloween Get Ready With Me by doing the makeup look, and I just used a lot of products that I've been using over the years, plus this is just my everyday makeup routine. I didn't really change it up or anything. I did primer, foundation, concealer, which I'm running out of concealer. I need to pick that up. I should add that to my to-do list, but just adding that underneath my eyes. I use 3 different kinds of concealers just because I don't use too much foundation anymore. I just use concealer mostly. So I'm just using my makeup sponge and blending that in. I did add a light layer of foundation. I don't normally wear foundation every day anymore, but since it was Halloween, I thought, you know what, I'll just add a small or a light layer, and this is the concealer I'm running out of. I do need to buy another one. So taking my makeup sponge again and blending all of that in so it's all nice and blended, and that's all I'm doing for my base, and then I'll add a powder on top. Oh, I'm still adding more concealer. I forgot that I added a lot of concealer for this look. So yeah, as I said, I'm just using a lot of concealer instead of like foundation to give my skin a break. Now we're moving on to the powder. So I use the Wet n Wild contour palette still. It's been my go-to for I don't know how many Halloween get ready with me's. Still using it. I love it so much, so I'm using the darker powder to contour with my cheekbones, my nose, my temples, everywhere I need to contour. So I'm just using that, and I really like this product. So I did that, and now I'm adding some blush. I'm still using the Rare Beauty blush in Bliss. Still love it. I use it every day or whenever I do my makeup. So now we're moving on to a powder blush, which I'm using a e.l.f. blush duo, I think in Watermelon. So just adding that, and I'm rubbing the two colors together for the highlight. Now I'm doing my brows, so I'm just using the Morphe brow pencil in Cold Brew, and then blending out all the harsh lines that I just did, and then a brow gel. Now for the eye look, I zoomed you in. I used a eye primer. I forgot which one I used, but it's been my go-to in my makeup collection. So just blending that into my eyes. I used this back in, I think, 2020 for my makeup look, but I do not have any colored eyeshadow besides this eyeshadow palette. So this I thought was a very pretty color. It was like an iridescent, like mermaid scale color, so that's why I went with it, and I'm so glad that I found this eyeshadow in my collection, because I honestly had no clue what I wanted to do for this eye look. I was just gonna put blue eyeshadow on, but I do not have a blue eyeshadow. I thought I did, but I don't, or it's probably in a makeup palette that is like hiding in my makeup collection somewhere. I'm bound to have like a blue somewhere, but I'm just taking a lot of colors in this makeup palette. I used mostly the Mermaid green color and like the lavender color to add a little bit of sparkle in the crease area and then the lid area, and then I'm just doing a thin line of eyeliner. I didn't really want anything dramatic, just a quick little line, and that is all I did for my eye look, just blending everything out. And I do like how it turned out since I had no idea what I was going to do for this makeup look. But yeah, I love adding the holographic shimmer on top just to add some color, and then add some more like purple underneath my lash line just to add the color to match the outfit. I don't know, so I'm just doing that, adding different colors on top, making it how I want it to look. I was just experimenting, honestly. Then for lips, I was gonna do a red lip to match like her red hair, but I just went with a nude lip to not distract away from the eyes, because I thought the eyes looked really pretty. And then I thought I was done with my eyes, but I forgot mascara, so that is the last step that I took. I just added some mascara to this, and that is it for the eye look and the makeup look that I did for this year's Halloween Get Ready With Me. So yeah, there it is. Now for hair. Now that you saw how I did the makeup, I'll show you the hair with these fun little like seashell or starfish clips, I mean. Now we're doing hair. I didn't do a wig like I did last year. I could have bought a red rig. That is hard for me to say, but I didn't. I'm just going to curl my hair into mermaid waves because of the mermaid look. That's so fun. So I'm just using my T3 curling iron. It's still my everyday curling iron whenever I do my hair. I'm just taking strands, wrapping it around, and that's all I do to curl my hair. I didn't do anything special. I just did my normal curling routine, which I have a video if you want to see like a more in-depth look and the products I use. I'll link that video down below. But yeah, I just added these starfish charms or barrettes to my hair, and I thought that was fun, and I put my hair in a side part. And then I did a fun little transition, which I was really proud of. Like, I didn't really know if I could pull it off, but I did. And here is the first mermaid outfit look. I really loved it. I cleaned my room up, and I put all the dresses hanging on this mirror in the closet finally, so I could like finally shoot outfit pictures here again, and my room is all decorated for fall. You saw in my fall decorating video, but yeah, here I am trying to show off my accessories and the earrings, the necklace, and just that whole outfit was so sparkly. And lastly, the outfit. So this is like the Little Mermaid inspired outfit. I'm gonna show you the first look first. So here is that. I had to film a cute little scene outside of my neighbor's apartment. I thought it was so fun, and I finally saw the 12-foot skeleton that I saw all over TikTok. She really went all out, and I love that. Here is some more outfit details up close in the light, and my vintage jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat basket and my seashell purse, and I loved how my outfit turned out, and I had to share it with you because it's so cute. And now that I showed you this first look, I'm not going to change my makeup. I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm going to put on the bow. So let's change into my second costume now. Since I couldn't decide, I went with both Ariel Halloween costumes, and I love the blue look. It's so fun. So here is the outfit as I was getting ready. I just wanted to show you what it looks like all together. And I do love the corset. I did have to sew it because it was too big on me, so I had to alter it. And I'm wearing the same accessories, but the bow is the only thing different. And then here we are outside again. I went back, as you can see, it's a little darker outside. And yeah, I'm just so entertained. She put the final touches and turned on all the lights. And I just got to take pictures and videos in front of the place. And here is the overall look of the second outfit. Really cute. I love the mermaid style skirt, and everything went together perfectly, which is so cute. Here is the second outfit. I am the casual Little Mermaid, I guess. I put a sequin corset top, this long sleeve like thing, and I just feel so cute. I love the bow, of course, and yeah, this was the second look that I did. So I did 2 costumes this year, which is fun. Technically it's the same thing I'm being, but I dressed up 2 different versions, which is fun. So I'm gonna go head out now. I have a neighbor down the street in the apartment complex that put up like so many fun Halloween decorations. You probably already saw the clips, but I am gonna go back there with my second outfit to take more pictures. And yeah, that is my Halloween get ready with me for 2022. I will link my others down below and the whole playlist of every single Halloween video that I've done here on my YouTube channel. I'll make sure to link everything that I mentioned down below in the description. Makeup, hair accessories, outfit, all the accessories for the look, how to become a mermaid as well, the Little Mermaid, or just like a casual mermaid, or whatever, a mermaid look. I really loved this year's. Can't wait to see what I do next year. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a happy Halloween. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!